Hello and welcome to Rare Hot Wheels. Today we're going to open the first of 11 boxes that have arrived in the mail this year. Contained within are lots of lovely treasures, and please be aware you're going to see an awful lot of the top of my head in the next few minutes of video. So sit down, buckle up and enjoy the ride with part 1 of my finds.
Right, had a look in the top of the box. Let's see what's inside. There's quite a lot as well. We have, what you got to think of is as time goes on, I will cover all of these in upcoming videos after this one. And there's quite a lot of nice cars in this. If we keep going, if I can pick them up. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Quite a few of these are older castings as well, so it might appeal to a bit of a broader base than than some of the more modern stuff I've been doing. And let's keep going because there are quite a lot here. Some really nice castings as well. Some treasure hunts, some supers, some quite limited edition things as well. Up there. This is nice. So, and let's have a look. More treasure hunts of the older style when they were really nice. Not that they're not really nice now, but I think they were better back then. Some of these castings are actually quite heavy. Nice little twin pack. And so I'll go into these in more detail once. Oh, excuse me. Limited run, one of 8,500. What else we got? Ooh, something interesting in the bottom of there. And yes. So we'll have a look through these when I've finished going through them. So there's a few more in here. There we go. Got this nice little. I'm filming.
I know.
That was my partner's forehead. So there we go, some more up there. She's been busy this morning doing the housework while I hide in here. I can't remember what's coming in a lot of these boxes over the time. Another limited one of 1,500. One of the Collector's Nationals ones. And in the bottom we have... Oh, yes. Forgot I had these. E-sheets. Signed by Carson Lev with the Redfin Chip Foose car. This one there, I can't remember what it was signed by. Another nice one. And one more. There we go. So that's what was in box number 1. This will be probably split up into 10 videos, and I'll be going through them. Oh, I thought there was something else in the box then. I'll be going through them over the next few weeks. And then I'll be attacking all the rest of the boxes up there. And there's a similar amount in each of those as well, so there's a lot of interesting castings to come. So, thanks for watching the unboxing of my mail call, and we'll see you soon with videos covering what was in there. Take care.